Poverty Point Customers here. Just doing a quick video on my new Nexgrill. You can get these at Costco. They are $399 plus tax. It's fully stainless steel except for the bottom base. It's a 3-burner. Your igniter right there. It's a 40,500 BTU. You can see the inside. One nice thing about it is the main part of it, all your burners and whatnot are all stainless steel. A lot of people have issues with the burners rotting out after a couple of years. This is inside where your tank goes. That's your grease strip tray. Seems to be very well constructed. It took me about an hour to put together. One nice thing about it is the little side storage trays actually go down on both sides, so you can see how much less room it takes up, especially it's nice for storage. It's nice and shiny. You almost hate to use them the first time. Get them all greasy. And it seems to be very well constructed. It's not flimsy. And nice thing about it, it also came with a cover. Well, that's the box that it came in. So you can actually convert this so it can run on propane or natural gas. You know, some places have natural gas pumped right into their house. And just a little short review video on it. As of right now, I haven't used it. I just put it together last night. That's the back of it. But I will do a updated video on how it's working out. Alright, so next thing I did with the barbecue is in the drip tray area. I just coated it with 2 layers of tin foil. It's not necessary, but what I'll do at the end of each season is take that out and put fresh stuff in. Just makes it a little easier to clean it. So here's the initial start. I put a AA battery right in there. You just actually unscrew this counterclockwise, put the battery in, and then screw it back on. So without further ado, I'm going to light the burner on the left side. So I'm going to turn it on full. Hear the propane, and here we go. And it is going. That was nice and easy. So I'm going to turn the other 2 burners on. So they are both going. It's a little bit hard to see, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the lid because this is new. No doubt there's some chemicals and whatnot on it. I'm going to close it and let it run for about 10 minutes till it's good and hot before I do the first cook on it. As you can see, it's warming up quite quickly. So it's been about 10 minutes. It's warmed up past 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some burgers on that I just turned into patties there, and we'll give her a shot here. 2 burger patties on. Because I'm only cooking 2, I really just need heat in this little area here, so I turned off burner 2 and 3. And what I'll do when I'm cooking, depending on the size, it will determine how many burners I put on. But right now there's a ton of heat in this area here, so I don't need to be wasting my propane to have the other 2 burners on. But sadly, this is the cleanest this barbecue will ever be. However, they're meant to be used. Burgers are just about cooked. Threw the cheese on, just toasting up my buns. You can see from just cooking 2 burgers how much grease you actually get in the grease trap. So far it's worked perfect and it's cooked super evenly. Just going to leave the burners on for a couple minutes and close the top and warm her right up, probably back up to about 500 so it burns the grease and everything off the grill. But so far I'm extremely pleased with it. The only issue I've had with it so far is my own fault. I seem to have made the burgers a little bit too big for the buns. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Again, I might do an update video on the Nexgrill barbecue from Costco, but so far it gets my thumbs up seal of approval. Thanks for watching. Take care, folks.